Hi, so let's go over the answers to your lesson 5 from module 1, the problem set. As a quick review, let's just remember that in order for a graph to show a proportional relationship, it has to be a straight line and it must pass through the origin, which is 0, 0. Okay, looking at number 1, 0, 0, yes. Straight line, yes. So it has a proportional relationship. Letter B. 0, 0, no. So that means it is a non-proportional. I understand that there is a straight line, but remember it has to meet both of the characteristics, and it does not meet passing through the origin. Okay. This one passes through the origin, so that's good. But if we connect, and as you look, it is not a straight line. There's parts that are straight, but the entire graph must be a straight line, so it's not straight. So it is non-proportional. Okay, let's go to the second page. Create a table and a graph for the ratios. So here's a ratio, 3 to 15 and 1 to 11. Now, if you don't know which one is supposed to be your x value or which is supposed to be your y value, you could actually look at your graph and that may help you. If you notice, my x's is only counting to 5. So with that being said, I know that this is my x and this is my y. So when I record my first ratio of 2, 22, and 3 to 15, and 1 to 11. Now I'll tell you that if I was actually making this table myself, I did them in order, how they were written, but I would probably put them in order by the value of the x. So just saying, if you did that, that's probably a good habit to get into, is putting your x's in numerical order. They like to trick you sometimes and not have them in numerical order. 1 went with 11, 2 went with 22, and 3 went with 15. Because if you see this right here, you can immediately start to see, do I have constants? A lot easier than when they're kind of mixed up. So let's graph. We have 2 and 22, that's all the way up here. We have a 3 and a 15, which is in the middle of 14 and 16. And we have 1 and 11. And if I connect those dots, based on how they're written, it really doesn't matter if I connected them. I mean, I would probably tend to connect them this way. So you may have gone this way. You may have connected them this way, however they were written, but I connected them in order. So with that being said, looking at this, I am not going through the origin. And it is not straight, so it is non-proportional, NP. For 3A, okay, let's go ahead and graph. 3 and 1, 6 and 2, 9, 3, and 12, and 4. Now I can look, and I need to find out if it's going to go through 0. So if I connect my points, I see that I do cross through the origin. So 0, 0 works, and it's straight. So it is a proportional relationship. And last one, 1 and 4, 2 and 5, 3 and 6, 4 and 7. Well, those make a straight line, that's for sure. But if I connect my points, I intersect at 0, 3. So it's 0, 3 instead of 0, 0. So it is non-proportional. If you're having any difficulties or having any confusion, please talk to your classroom teacher.